I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas brown, right in the guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it, God. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it.
Good morning, hi, welcome to the channel. It's Sunday morning. I am dressed, already wearing everything. I'll be showing you guys much later. My hair got straightened by my sister and I'm going to church right now. It's currently like 6 something, so I'm not so sure about the time, but today is kind of eventful. My second vlogmas, yeah, so December has started, like my December has started, and it's time for me to enjoy this period of the year. What do you have to say to my vlog? December started whether you like it or not. Hi people, I don't know, I can't bend. Let me just push my. When Mary comes out, she will complain. I might want you to stay behind me. Never. Please, because Mary will complain about the seating.
Go back there again. Bring my cucumber.
Your cucumber, mommy. I'll go and bring it. I'll bring
Give me a hairbrush. That fuck is my own.
Where's that hairbrush? Sorry, ma. And I'm using this perfume to freshen up much later. Yeah, this perfume on my body. I am unbuttoning because that's
I was sleeping that the Mettylicious called me.
Take out my
Let me send the message to Daddy.
Was itchy.
I didn't hear you right. What did you say? Message, not data.
I don't understand.
I love data. Message.
So guys, I just want my distinct.
Then what did you say?
Let me see this
When
one.
I
I feel like maybe this one will fit me much better than mine. Because you didn't wear it well.
You go back to
Oh God, I like this one. Does not touch my body.
Maybe wear the longer one.
No.
Yeah.
This is Memi's one, and God, I prefer
go
this one.
You guys can go to the program 23 minutes ago.
Oh, so
You now call back.
You know we not actually registered, so we actually have to.
Me and Memi registered.
Me too, I registered.
I'm not registered.
So this one is actually like better.
But they know on their own.
Like I like this length on me. Let me put it. I prefer this length on me, to be honest, because this one is just cuter, but regardless.
That's like your friend Toria said.
Oh my God, like your hair. She didn't like my own.
Let me see.
Actually, it does. So guys, we are currently on our way to the location. It's the ofadaboy thingy. We weren't even thinking about going because we just want to try to do something different today. So we are going to go. Can I see how the mood looks like? Mommy, you're not loyal. Guys, I need lip gloss and I need internet. I done they do one since 2020. Okay, so guys, I am wearing this hair unit from my own store. They will be announced pretty soon. Myself and my sister are starting our own hair brand, so pretty soon. Then this shirt, thrifted This inner, not thrifted, gotten new, but from the market. These leggings, very super comfortable, and slippers, of course. This is how casual I'm looking.
Like this is fine. I'm not giving you.
We're going.
I just started.
So hi guys, we are going to the event now. After so much delay, Daddy is here now, but he's taking. There's no need for that information. Scrap that. But anyways, I'm going to take you guys through my day and what else maybe. Meet Memi, the wicked one who refused to make a video of me.
That's it, guys. Yes, I can watch too close.
When it comes to corporate events, he's the best. Multinational events, he's the best.
So you welcome me when I'm born.
When it comes to political events,
Come on, baby. One more time.
come on stage. Now you go take your hand, promote yourself for the competition.
What are you having? I'm having plain jollof ofada rice, chicken kebab. Good morning. Is it focusing on me? Okay, good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. It is me, it is I, Mettylicious, and today is the Saturday what? 17? Yeah. Okay, 17th of December, guys. It's December period and I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Oh my god, will you please close my door? Okay. Thank you guys, because these people will not allow me vlogging. Well, hi guys, how are you all doing today? We are going out to I think a beach. This is too bright. Let me just brightness, please. Okay, we're going for a beach stuff. Not a beach stuff per se, but we are going for a boat ride, and I did not want to go, guys. Like, I woke up this morning just wanting to clean my room, and another thing, my friend is traveling pretty soon, so I wanted to really go for her send forth. But the way it's looking like now, I don't think I'll be able to go, and because my family members, I don't know, it's just, and we have something else to do after that. Yeah, that's one of the major reasons why I'm not going for a send forth, but I hope to go tomorrow for the send forth. Because why not? That's my baby girl right from school. And do you know I'm vlogging? That's basically it. I'm running late now. Nothing much, just a wow, my camera just did that. Just a regular singlet top from my friend's store and Palazzo's. I will show you guys with the mirror. But my mirror is not so clean, so once I clean my mirror, that's what I'm going to show you guys whatever I'm wearing. But yeah, quickly want to get ready, pack my stuff. Let me show you guys what I'm packing. Just the basics, like my sunshades, my AirPods, my phone, my power banks as well. I'm probably going to take my laptop because I might work on my way. And then I got this book from Rebook Camp, guys. I've not even spoken much about a Rebook Camp. This is Purposefully. It's my pastor's book, so I'm going to be reading this on my way there. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. I'm coming now. I look at this hair. Myself and my sister have a business which is going to be starting pretty soon. It's called the Teremi Hairs. That's Tere and Memi hair. So we're going to be selling wigs real soon. So guys, can you see these units? Can you just actually see these units? And we're not so expensive. Like our hairs are quality and we don't sell rubbish. We don't do rubbish. Okay. So yeah, let's be on our way. Amy wants farms and say hi.
Hi, Metty's vlog.
Hi, Metty's fans. My fans, right? You guys
Hi,
are
Metty's
my
fans.
This is my baby. So hi guys, we just got there. Right, we're not even sure. We don't know what to do yet. But we are. Now, mommy, why are you doing like this?
What she say?
No, you guys sure. So we are exactly that. Thank you, YouTube. Daddy, what are you saying? Eh? Daddy, what are you saying now? Daddy. How are you coming for content creators? How are you coming for content creators? Daddy, are you serious?
For real, man.
Content creators. Well, this.
Hi guys, I've really been working since I'm very tired.
Yes,
But
because
anyway, what's up to
we do actual work. I'm so sorry, but anyways, guys, we just got to this place and I'm going to show you around. This is the MTN parking lot, and then we're going to the. Let me please.
It only means that.
We're in last one.
We're in last one.
Last one. That's Lagos State Water.
Okay, Lagos State Water something authority. But anyways, Waterways Authority. So we're going down now. I'll show you guys my sister. I think they're outside there. I have to adjust the lighting better for anyways, my glasses here, my jewelry, a top and pants. I don't think this vlog is going to be long. I think I'm just going to elongate it with another thing. Back home, funny clothes, thank you. And I think I will show you guys my sisters and my mom, my dad, because everyone here. My house is still treating me like a baby, but I'm no longer a baby. If I forget my Canon, I'm not supposed to use brush on this hair, but I cannot find my phone. Anyways, let me get down now, please. And I'll see you guys later. Like this is me. We're going in now. I'm going to say hi. Say hi. Is that all you just say? Cannot say oh hi. What? It's not loud.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas round me,
Mettylicious.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh, is that hello. Second. Okay, now come in. They want me to take their picture of the phone. I'll call you back. The set cameras are actually not allowed, and I'm just trying to make use of my camera. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys how everywhere looks because I'm not going to be using my phone to do it because my phone is just. You guys, this is time for you to buy me a new phone. You have buy me a new phone. Come and say hi. Again. The third time. So yeah, see mommy and daddy. Hold that. Let me really say hold that.
Mommy, know your face. Hold that and daddy.
Step inside the crib on my own. As soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone.
Okay, so we're set to go on board and my hair is scattered.
It's not like that bad, actually.
It's not bad. See mommy. Hello.
All the niggas round me, ride and die.
Yeah, it's my vlog.
Video. I hopefully I don't fall. Let me see. Well, I'm not like that light-headed, even though I am. But still. Okay, this is your girl. I don't understand.
Are you record?
Yes, I am. Like we are going on by the water. Very good. Okay. Do you say what do you?
So guys, hopefully I can't swim.
Okay, none of us can swim. I can float. Stop, I can't fall. Is that biscuit nylon? You guys save the nation. Are we moving up and down? Oh my god, we're moving up and down. Alright. Okay. No, I'll give you. Okay. I'll give you when I'm about to take time. I'm feeling somehow.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't understand why I'll be the last person. Yeah. Okay. So guys, we are here.
Well,
on board.
Let me pass my camera and my phone. Can I sit down?
Let's sit down. Let me video you.
Okay, what's going on?
We're about to go.
What's going
Okay. We're about to go.
So we just started moving, and I don't think I can use the camera so well. Or maybe it's at my back. Let me say hi to the camera. Okay. You know, this is fun.
Feel like chemistry. I won't let no one.
What big I video? Hi. So it's so unbothered. Maybe. So you guys, how do you feel after the boat ride? Bro, I feel good actually. It was not bad. It was not you know, the time that will make you wanna puke. Mimi. My hair says a lot. I want to wash my hand. So are we ready to go now? No. You see guys, look at my junior sister's one, the shortest. The shortest of them all, queenest of the world. And I'm even the smallest of them all.
Yeah. Lukwanike, rest in the name of Jesus.
Who pay for my lashes between both of you?
Pay me.
I'm paying half, you pay half.
How much is it?
You guys, bye. Say bye to my people. Say
Later.
bye to the Mettylicious fans. Yeah, perfect. Guys, I think my wig says a whole lot. And we're leaving now. Where might be going to? I think we should still go somewhere around this island before we go to that way. Because it's still morning. And I can still make it for Meme stock. So glad! We have perfume in the car bar.
Yes.
Just so I can freshen up and then go for my friends send forward. I'm so happy. I hope I'm able to go today, Sha. I'm going to repair. But yeah, let's go. I don't know.
You're not lover of my soul. Only thing is more than gold. If it is not God, then don't give me no matter. If it is them who love me, I don't know answer.
Oh, this is so crazy.
All night. Oh, yeah,
This is not a sponsored ad, but it's me telling you to please like this content, like this video, share to people. And if you have not subscribed and you're still watching up till this point, please just subscribe. Okay, bye. Okay, so hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you have watched this video up to this point, then you're a real OG. This last did you just say purr? Then this last video, it was just 2 days, 2 particular days. The first one was when we went for ofadaboy, and the second one was when we went for a boat cruise or boat ride, one of those things. So it was not even Christmas or anything. I planned to do vlogmas, but my plans, well, it's one thing for you to plan and there's another thing for your plans to actually come to pass, but it didn't come to pass. So I had other things to do. Like you guys saw earlier, my aunties and everybody's here, so my space is even like in use. So but today I just made up my mind that see, I have to close this video, I have to end this video with me talking and kind of like explaining things that happened in the past video, and starting a video and also filming a video with my sisters much later. So yeah, basically those are 2 days. Just I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, so if you did enjoy this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up, as it will make me so happy. It's already like the end of the year and I wasn't able to make it to 500 subscribers. Such a bummer, but I know that God will, obviously, why you can it's all like God will do something much better and greater next year. I plan to be as consistent. Don't worry guys, I plan to be as consistent, and God helping me, I plan to be as consistent, and I hope to see the growth on my channel. And then if you guys would like to see whatever you guys would like to see on my channel, if you have video suggestions, please do not be shy, don't feel shy. You can send me an email, message me on Instagram, my links will be here. Twitter, I don't really use Twitter, but because of you, I'll respond to your message, and you can just leave me a comment. That's much better. And yeah guys, I'll see you in my next video. Blow them a kiss.